धतनं तनुनिन्दित हेममृणालमलं मदनार्बुदवन्दित चन्द्रपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदम् प्रभुपादपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदम्. Welcome to all the guests and speaker here, all the sannyasis. So I am really fortunate to get the opportunity to welcome you and all. So today we are observing 158th anniversary of my grand spiritual master, His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. First of all, I offer my due respect to my spiritual master, Grand Spiritual Master, His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. Also Honorable Acharya of Vasudev Gaudiya Math and Gaudiya Math as well, the Gaudiya Mission as well. His Divine Grace, Srila Bhakti Sundar Sannyasi Goswami Maharaj and his associates and whoever coming here, I offer my due respect to you all. So today we have to know that we are observing Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur's 150th anniversary. Means here all the Acharya, his disciples, all the associates of Srila Prabhupada, in spirit they are here. Therefore, take it seriously. This program is not like a social program, it is program for spiritual uplifting program. Because without blessings of previous teachers, it is impossible to progress our spiritual life. So therefore, we have to keep silent. First of all, we have to know who is Srila Prabhupada. There is a controversy. But Gaudiya Math, they are addressing Srila Prabhupada, His Divine Grace, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. Although meaning of Prabhupada, Prabhu means Mahaprabhu, Pada means his lotus feet, which carrying the order of Mahaprabhu. By example, in his life, they all are able to use this title Prabhupada in their name. But Gaudiya Math, they decided this title, the reserve for my grand spiritual master, His Divine Grace, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada. Who is Prabhupada? Prabhupada born in Odisha, near Jagannath temple. Narayan Chhata means umbrella. And when he born, his one umbilical cord wrapped on his body as like a sacred thread. To see such things, all the astrologer, they predict. In Padma Purana there is a prediction, Hritpale Purushottama. Means from the Purushottam Dham, Supreme Lord's glories will spread around the world. Today we are here. We are here in London because of Srila Prabhupada's Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur and his disciples, his divine grace, Bhakti Pradeep Tirtha Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Ridha Banga Goswami Maharaj, and Bhakti Saranga Goswami Maharaj. And Samvidananda Prabhu, of course, there is a famous preacher of Gaudiya Math, His Divine Grace, Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Goswami Maharaj. Nowadays he is known as also Srila Prabhupada. Because Srila Prabhupada is inspiration. Lord Chaitanya expressed desire. Prathivite Akshigato Navora Nilam Sarvatra Prachar Huya Moranam. How many village and town exist in this world? Everywhere my name is spread. That is, it was the inspiration of Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. He himself not coming. But he empowered his followers, his disciples, grand disciples, great-grand disciples, whoever coming here, even I am here, because of the Prabhupada's power. All we are empowered by Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. We are not able to ignore it. The Hritpale Purushottama. Even just to think about, he is not just ordinary Acharya. He is pioneer of Gaudiya mission, Gaudiya Math, Gaudiya movement, Lord Chaitanya's mission in this era and age. And we are here, gathered for gathering to talk about His glories. We have to know. We have to know that Srila Prabhupada, when he was 6 months old, it was the time his first offering grain ceremony, Annaprasana. At that time, Jagannath chariot festival also there. Jagannath stopped 3 days. Jagannath's chariot stopped 3 days just to bestow his blessings to baby Srila Prabhupada. Jagannath means Lord of Universe. With message. Lord of Universe message. It's spread through Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta. Therefore, Jagannath stopped by here. And today you can see, we did Nagar Sankirtan. Also, we are in a big hall. Anyway, my time 10 minutes. I think I'm going to over, but one thing I would like to speak with you, share with you. What I heard from my spiritual master. The one day, before the light up here. Thank you very much, electrician, and all of your attention. So what I wanted to say that, what I heard from my spiritual master, that one day Prabhupada was in Bajara Gauriya Math in his bhajan kuti, and one person, he came and explained to Srila Prabhupada that, Prabhupada, how your preaching program going on around everywhere. It looks like every village Gauriya Math going to establish. Gauriya Math going to establish in every village. Then Srila Prabhupada explained, so, but my goal is not like that. Not every village. My goal to establish Gauriya Math in every heart. My Gauriya Math will move. Means what? Means philosophy. Philosophy of Lord Chaitanya, mission of Lord Chaitanya should move every heart, every house, not only one village. Actually, Lord Chaitanya mission is loving mission. We have to be together. This program is sign of together, sign of love, because Lord Chaitanya is embodiment of love. Krishna is embodiment of love. Srila Prabhupada representing Krishna Chaitanya. So please follow the footsteps of Srila Prabhupada. I am also humbly requesting all the sannyasis here, please bestow all of your blessings, headed by, and also offer my humble request, Honorable Acharya of Vasudev Gauriya Math, His Divine Grace, Bhakti Sundar Sannyasi Vaishnav Maharaj, please bestow your blessings on me to carry the mission of Lord Chaitanya and Srila Prabhupada rest of my life with purity. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arranged some delicious snacks. Please do not miss it. It's being served at the back of the hall.